I know that there are many toy stores out there and that there are many online shops available, but what I try to do, which is different from others, is that I try to navigate parents into firstly looking at age-appropriate skills, age-appropriate toys and age-appropriate books then. And then secondly, if you found something on the age-appropriate level, to now look at the different skills. If you want to stimulate creativity, you're going to look on the creativity website and find creative toys for the 0 to 3, for instance. If you're looking at facilitating fine motor skills, then that's the skill that you're going to look into. So every specific skill has all the books and all the toys appropriate to your child. And most of the toys and the books that we have on the shop will not only facilitate one skill. So whilst you're busy with fine motor skills, you will also do pencil grip, you will also do laterality, you will also do visual perception. At the same time, you'll be developing language and vocabulary. And if you read all those captions, suddenly there's a light bulb that switches on that says, I didn't realize. Of course I'm doing this. And that assists you to become a better parent.